In this video, I'll be showing you how you can enable JavaScript and also turn off JavaScript on Chrome for mobile, simple and easy. So when you launch your Chrome like this, what you need to do is tap on the three dots here. You can see the arrow on your screen, scroll to your settings, and then you launch your settings here. Now let's scroll to the bottom and you can see site settings. Let's tap on that there. Good. And now let's scroll to the bottom here too as well, content, and you can see JavaScript allowed. Just launch that and you can turn it off and on here. And you can also add site too as well. So you just tap on the add site, you enter the URL of the site, you get it, www.t.com, and you just add it, and you can tap on that to allow, and also tap on that to block, and you can tap on that to remove the site too as well. So that's it on how you enable JavaScript and also turn off JavaScript on Google Chrome for mobile. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.